Three. One. Firstly, I talk about calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate.
I think Mr. Kong, give them a little background about you yourself, okay, and then you go into that, yeah. Okay, give them a little background so that at least they know.
Background?
Background about you, yeah.
Background about me is very simple. Yeah. I studied chemistry. I studied chemistry in France. Then when I come back to Vietnam, I work for firstly the first company is Toyota. Yeah, I do the chemistry in the painting department for the paint.
Coaching.
Yeah, coating. So I do so many kind of color. And after Toyota, I leave Toyota and I joined to the university, industrial university. And after some year, I leave. I did not want to be teacher again. I leave university and I start working with the plastic. Yeah. Yeah. At the beginning, I work with the Japanese company. Is Toyo. Yeah. This time I do the color for plastic.
Okay.
Do the color for plastic. Then after I learned from Toyo from the Japanese company, I go out to open with my friend Europla. It is the biggest in Vietnam now, about the master bar in Finland.
Okay.
Okay, this is the biggest.
Okay.
Yeah, but here I have only 10% shareholder.
You have 10%?
Shareholder.
Shareholder, before, yes.
Before.
Yes.
Then after 3 or 4 years, I get about 3,000 tons per month. Then the shareholder and the president still push me, go. But it's time very tired because in only 3 or 4 years I start export.
Yeah.
And you get to this capacity is very tired. Not only in selling but also on technical and also on system controlling. So we don't agree each other. So I leave Europe. I take my money and open my company now. Yeah, Canada. Yeah. So from the time I start to work for plastic is until now is 2005. Now it's about 9 years. 9 years. Our company now do color master batch, filler. I do color is white and other. I don't do black.
Okay.
No, I do black. I do the filler. And this is to supply to the normal application like packaging, like something that I am developing more for engineering plastic engineering plastic, but it's new.
Which type specifically of engineering plastic? Different types, or is it specific?
Yeah, it's for higher application. For example, inside this one. Yeah, sometimes the plastic need to be anti-scratch, anti-scratch or heating. Heat, for example, in the motorbike, when the lamp is the cover of the lamp in plastic need to be 120. Not soft. Yes, I am supplied to Piaggio in Vietnam. Piaggio. And heating inside is and some gear, plastic gear inside the machine. Yeah.
The gear.
The gear.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very, very sophisticated and high price. So let's talk about firstly about the main product. Still okay, still okay. Yeah, this is a little bit about it. Calcium carbonate, yeah, from the stone on the mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So quality of the mine is depend on the purity. Yeah, because if many other things, the color is not white, and and Vietnam now is the top 5 of quality. Is the one. Vietnam, Jordan, Vietnam, Jordan.
Egypt.
Egypt not so white.
Turkey. How about Turkey?
Turkey and Greece.
Yeah. Okay.
Turkey. And something I don't remember, but yeah, I don't remember exactly between Thailand and Malaysia.
Okay.
Yeah, but Vietnam is in the for about now. For example, India supplier, India film manufacturer. Yeah, they are buying from Vietnam.
It's plastic lid.
Yeah,
Plastic lid.
yeah, plastic blend. Many plastic color and plastic blend. They buy from Vietnam
Vietnam.
and Malaysia.
Huh?
They don't have, and sometimes because price they buy in Vietnam there are so many mines.
Yeah.
So many mines and not mines. Yeah, so many mountain.
Yes.
And some mountain is very good, some mountain is very bad,
Yeah.
and it depend.
The quality, all depends on the quality.
Yeah. So from the stone, yeah, we go to some process, yeah, some process, right? Process to produce a calcium carbonate powder.
How is it produced? Yeah, that's what we
Yeah,
need
yeah.
to know. Yeah.
Yeah. One thing. Breaking into
This is one is one.
small. Okay. bit. Breaking into small bits.
So the stones are broken into small pieces,
Small piece.
the stones.
Yeah, small piece. They use a hammer
Okay.
machine. Yeah. The next step
Yeah.
is wash it. Yeah, they make the small piece on the
Conveyor belt.
conveyor.
Yeah.
Then people stay and spray.
Okay.
Sometimes automatic spray water
Yes.
in to clean all the rest.
Okay.
Then at the end of the conveyor, there are some people stay there to take out some not beautiful, not
Dirty.
dirty.
Yeah. Okay.
Then how to say?
Remove. Remove. Yeah.
Remove the worst one. Then the next step is to go into the bone meal. Go to the bone meal. For example, this is the bone meal.
So what is that? It's going to the.
To the bone meal.
What is it?
Bone.
Oh, the ball. Ball meal.
Oh.
Ball meal. Or crushing it.
The bone meal is here. There are many steam balls. This is out. That's here. The stone. The small piece of stone come here. Come here. Then inside the bone meal is rotating, and the steel ball, yeah, hitting each other. Then inside here the calcium carbonate becomes smaller.
Okay.
Becomes smaller. So this is normally about 24 rounds per minute. Normally here about from 8 to 10 meter. The diameter about 4.5 meter. It's running. All that. All that. Then when come out, they suck, not suck, sometimes suck, sometimes blowing.
So it's a vacuum.
Yeah, vacuum. So then here there are one fan, like this. Then for them this is sucking. Vacuum sucking.
What is it sucking the material and stuff?
Yeah, sucking with the material. And sometimes they use also the fan to push. Then they control the speed of the fan. Then the small particles can go through.
Okay.
The big cannot go through, and they need to come back here.
Oh.
Okay. So they select their own.
So it's like a smaller particles.
It's a small particle.
Okay.
So, so we buy it.
Okay.
So, for example, the quality of the calcium carbonate powder that we are buying
Yeah.
is some quality. One is white meat. White meat. Normally we buy 80
Whiteness, 80.
white meat,
Whiteness
98%. Yeah.
So the whiteness of the calcium carbonate determines the quality.
Yeah, the purity.
The
This is
purity.
only one quality, one point of view from quality. Secondly, the mean, the medium. Particular size. Yeah. For your products, about 2 micron. As a moisture. Moisture. Normally we limit 0.02%.
0.02%.
Because you know, after running in this,
Yeah.
running in it become hotter. The material become hot.
Mhm.
So when go out, it's about 80 degree.
8 degrees.
So there is still retention of moisture in there. But
Yeah.
It's very
Yeah.
minimal. It's
Yeah.
0.02%.
80 degree.
Okay, when it comes up with.
This is to make powder.
This is to make powder.
Powder. But we cannot use powder immediately.
Yeah.
We need second. We need to coating. Coating powder. Coating powder. Yeah.
Now, where does the coating powder come from?
Now after this,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, the material need to come to next step is a coating process.
Right. Okay. Right.
In coating process, for example, this is a coating process. Some this is a mixer.
Okay.
This is one kind of mixer. This first run. Then they put powder here. Powder come here. Constant speed. Yeah. Then there are another. Yeah. They use acid stearic. Acid is this is liquid.
It's liquid.
Liquid.
Okay.
They need to boil until it's melted. Acid stearic is a is a formula C70 H35 CU is chemical.
Chemical.
Yeah. This is the main component of the washing savon.
Oh, washing
Yeah.
soap.
Soap,
This is
yeah.
washing
Yeah.
soap. Okay, that's the
Yeah.
main component of washing soap.
Yeah, washing soap. Then there is spray here and the quad spray here. This is about 1%. The weight of the acid stearic, and here the speed. So normally we allow the calcium carbonate quantity. Quantity 1%. Is to cover the powder. So the powder cannot stick together. and easy to slip each other. Easy to slip each other, and cannot stick each other. So after that, when we use it, it's easy to dispersion inside plastic.
Okay.
Okay, so when it's coated, it's better the dispersion.
Yeah.
To improve the dispersion of the
Yeah,
material.
dispersion.
So in other words, if it's sticking together, the
Yeah, it's
dispersion,
sticking together.
the dispersion won't be good.
Yeah. If sticking together many particles, so it cannot disperse.
Okay.
So we need to use this. And another thing that when covered by acid stearic, so the powder cannot absorb the moisture to prevent the moisture.
Okay, to prevent moisture.
Okay. For example, when you take powder like this, continuous this, you put inside the water, and cup the water,
Yeah,
and you mix.
yeah,
Then after that, the calcium chloride go floating,
yes.
cannot go inside the water because it prevent to be wetted. So we use this one. We use this one to.
Okay.
So before you go, Mr. Ro, everybody understanding so far? I mean, what to spraying down, the process, number one, the first process, okay, of the stones and the size, the breakdown, and they bring to the mold as well. Okay, so now we did the coating process, so where does the material?
Hmm?
Yeah.
So Mr. Pang, when you get this from the mine,
Hmm?
when you get from the mine, these stones, how big are the sizes for you? Because you said you use the hammer machines.
Yeah.
So you use bigger machines to hammer, maybe it comes out in a time or at a time.
From hammer machine, there are three steps. Yeah. Firstly, from the mine, they boom. And they take the big like the head. Then through the machine one hammer, we call it
Crushing.
crashing. Yeah. It becomes about like this.
Okay.
No, it's okay, okay.
Yeah.
Enough.
Then qua the second machine, the second machine like that. The second machine like what is it here? Yeah, there are some hammer here. It's running very high speed. Then the small bits come here and you take it to the wound of the. Then when the material come out from the about less than 3 mm. Then from the 3 mm it's go into the body. So it need two steps. And cannot one step to be smaller, like line like this.
Okay, can we move on?
Can you just explain what what's cutting? I didn't get the word right.
Cutting.
What is?
To make it
Yeah.
more powder.
No,
They-
it's using
Let
picture
me
them.
explain.
They use the screw, one screw, constant speed. Then the powder, the calcium carbonate powder from here go in here. For example, they adjust the speed of this. For example, 3 km per hour. Then the asysteric here is they boiling into the liquid. Then here they are on pump. They spray like they spray the pump very high pressure. It's like smoke, not like a
Like a
liquid.
sprinkler.
Yeah, like inside the engine. Yeah. So if 3 tons per hour, they adjust the speed here. They pump. They adjust the speed here is 1%, Sweden 1% is 3 kilogram per hour. The sprayer. Then this is rotating, 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 rotating. This rotates about 2,800 rounds per minute. Yeah. This is one kind of missing. One kind of missing. Yeah. But the liquid is melting, so it's cover on the outside of the particle. Meaning here is missing. There's missing very high speed. So the cover.
You got it addressed. Well, it's a covering
Yeah.
process. Okay, the coating. That's what it does.
Covering.
Coating it's
What do you
covering.
need to cover?
So there's an
So
example
it's really
moisture and the
moisture,
ventilation
yeah.
when it's coated.
Yeah.
It is.
What's that?
Maybe it's reduced speed.
Set up.
Yeah, it's constant. Constant.
Constant
Oh,
speed.
that's speed, yeah.
Oh.
Okay. The second factory I make a joint venture with them.
Oh, you got a joint venture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why because I buy many calcium from many factory.
Okay.
Sometimes quality is not
Good.
It's not
That's
consistent.
and sometimes I have a problem.
Mm.
Some problem I can discover in my factory, but some problem I cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when go to my customer, it happen.
Okay.
Then that's why I need to take the second factory and the one production I cooperate with the calcium carbonate powder factory. So with the condition that I can, my people can control the quality of the calcium carbonate. Only for I need a constant quality.
Constantly,
Because
yeah.
sometimes I really cannot believe that. I pay so many mistakes.
So how many mines are you working with now? How many mines?
Only one mine.
One mine.
Only one mine. On the filler, this is our process.
See, it's good to understand this now,
Yeah.
because when we're going around to the customers, and they talk about the quality, this came up when we went to Brits as well, about the quality of calcium. You've got to be very careful, and that's why we need to address it with the consistency of the raw material calcium, where it's coming from, the process as well, to be able to understand that.
Yeah. This is our process. Firstly, we weighing. Yeah. For example, material 80% calcium carbonate. %15 resin. 5% additive. Yeah. 5% additive.
What would that additive be?
There are many. Yeah.
The resin you're talking about there, is it like the LD, is the
Yeah,
carrier?
Carrier.
Is that the carrier you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
LDP.
So is it always LL as the carrier?
It depends on the.
Or you can change to
I can change.
HD?
PP, AD, and some other application for the PS.
Yes, we use the carrier.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's
okay.
with regards to the final application.
Yeah, depends on the final application. This is I call the carrier.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the carrier. So the carrier need to be compatible
Compatible with the
with the
end
end product.
application?
This is we call carrier. This is calcium carbonate powder and 5% additive. Additive we use wax. PE wax. PE wax. PE wax.
PE waste.
Wax.
Wax.
Polyethylene.
Yeah, polyethylene wax. Zijn stera.
Steroid.
Zij sterret. Zij sterret. This is a solvent.
It's a solvent.
From zijn is sterret.
So what's that PE wax? What is it exactly?
It's a flake from. It's a flake. Flake from. It's a lubricant.
So lubricant.
Lubricant.
Oh, it's
It's called lubricant.
But is that a
It's a bit more wet because some additive is already melted.
Powder. Okay.
Okay.
Melting.
yeah?
And another is already melting. So not free flowing. Yeah. At the beginning, if we don't mix, it's free flowing. When you put for one hand and put it flow the powder here because it's very sleepy. So it's flowing like water.
Yes.
But after mixing,
Mm-hmm.
some this melting. Then the mixture cannot be free flowing.
Okay, yes, right.
Because if free flowing, the resin is pellet.
Yeah.
Inside it's easy to,
Stay behind.
Yes,
Left
yeah.
behind it.
and when you put in the hopper, the machine is a vibrator.
Yes,
Then the resin is come down.
It don't mix with it don't mix up.
No, because it's a very
The
very.
speed is quicker because it's slippery.
But when only here is the melting, so it's not free flowing. So resin is go inside the mixture is difficult. Yeah. Pellet, mixing pellet with powder. Yeah, after mix it's okay. But when you deliver, maybe after that it's separate.
Yeah.
Pellet and powder separate. But here you cannot separate because here is already some melting. So the friction is a little bit high. So the resin cannot go easily. Also mixture go here.
So what happens when it's there after mixing there? It goes out on that
On the conveyor.
screw,
On the
on that
conveyor.
conveyor.
Yeah, the conveyor.
Okay.
To
Goes
the-
out and then it will come into the hopper.
Into the hopper.
Oh,
So then that side becomes like strings, Mr.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the strings over.
Okay.
Strings like from there it comes here, comes up here,
Yeah.
and then you can cut the string on it.
So die face cutting.
Yeah.
Cutting is die face.
Diaphragm.
Yeah.
The diaphragm cutting.
I don't through the
Oh,
because it cannot go high speed.
yes.
It's like this. We call the die face cutting.
Yeah.
Die face cutting. Then it's into the water. I spray water here. Spray water and it cutting. As a pellet, I go use the pellet and water. Go here. Then it's run into separator. It's a very high speed. Very high speed. There are so many holes here. You have seen that like washing machine inside the washing machine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's running very fast. Then water comes through this. Comes through this. Take out water. Then the pellet come here. Pellet come here. Then it's come here. And water come here. Like a washing machine. Then water here. We collect the machine. Spray again.
So the water is circulating. The water is circulating.
Yeah, circulating.
Okay.
Water is carrying.
So you don't change that water at all? You don't change. It's continuously circulating for how long?
Now we supply continuously and we take out continuously.
Okay.
Because this is very hot.
Yeah.
So running the water become hot.
Yeah.
So we need supply the cold water and we take out the hot water.
Okay.
I need to keep this water spray here about 65 degrees. 65 degrees. From here, yeah, after that is a screen vibrator. Yeah, from here, this is a screen vibrator, vibrates. The bigger one need to come here. The very smaller one, like dirty, it come here. So we take this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sometimes very weak because some problem of the knife.
The knife cutting.
Yeah. And sometimes it's very dirty, very smooth powder. We take and here we put like we take only the good character.
That's all it becomes.
Yeah. That's why it becomes yeah. Hmm?
The smaller particles go back into the hopper.
Hmm?
Not to be so.
Now, for example, here,
Yes. Okay, goes back to the.
yeah, here, for example,
Yeah.
1 or 2 hours, only one bag. The dirty one. Only 1 or 2 hours, one bag.
Yeah.
Then worker bring this and mixing. Yeah, he puts it again.
To reprocess.
Big process. So this is a general idea about how to make the powder, how to make the filler. Yeah. I mean, besides, our machine is a twin extruder. This is a twin screw. This is a cylinder. Yeah, co-rotating. Co-rotating is the same direction. Yeah, not like PVC. PVC here is like this. PVC one, conical. Yeah, this is co-rotating. This is our machine. Okay. Then my machine is very long. So material inside the cylinder go here, then mix everything. Okay. And if the machine is long, yeah.
And Mr. Kong, what's the name of your extruder?
Twin screw extruder. We call twin screw.
Twin screw.
Twin screw extruder.
Okay, Tom, another question, okay, is that, okay, once the process is done, now for the quality of this product, okay, how do you determine which is a good quality, Okay.
Okay.
How do you determine which is the good quality?
Okay, okay. So the next one is the quality. So I write out all the point of view of quality. Yes, upgrade. Appearance.
Yes.
So you can compare.
Okay.
Appearance. Do you have another sample here?
What for your filler? The filler, yeah?
Yeah.
Sure,
You want to play the recipe song?
Elliot,
Is
Yeah, let's keep it
Elliot,
Yeah, but this is green
Other-
color.
yeah, from other.
Father, just check your to be got.
at the back, yeah?
Yeah,
What I'm
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about.
yeah,
Recycle resin.
yeah.
So recycle resin is it makes it smell a little bit harder. So this is low quality because when using a recycled resin like a carrier, it's difficult to melt.
Yeah.
So a little bit you can check, you can get some
So you
other.
should
The
smell,
cleaner is the better to smell.
so you should smell a bit of that recycle.
Yeah.
You should smell it.
Smell, yeah. Yeah, time by time, when, for example, when you go to
But they
the
want to
customer,
No, they
and
use it.
customer says that, oh, the competitor is using, give it a very low price.
Because
So you need to check.
Call it, this
You
now.
need to check. You need to check. Yeah.
The particle, yeah.
Chewing,
particle size.
chewing, and smelling. And you sell it. Why they are cheaper? Because they are less resin.
Yeah.
So how
So
does
it's nice, it makes,
Yeah, yeah.
that's why they use recycled material as a cleaner.
What is it?
If you use virgin material, it's expensive, then it will make the cost, the film seems bright.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Hmm? Yeah. Appearance, the color also.
Yeah.
also that right now we also change the color.
Color.
Which product.
And some other product is not so white.
Because if it's too white, it might change also the color of the finished product.
Okay. Okay.
So what I need to know is that advantage or disadvantage?
Sometimes it's 70.
Later,
Later I will talk.
Yeah, it's depends on the color.
Color.
from this material, this is good.
Yeah. Some customer very love the white color.
They love the
White color filler.
Yeah.
I would
Yeah,
think
some people doesn't like.
Yeah, because of the color, the determinate, yeah.
So if you go for the dark, it's
Quality,
Yes.
quality when running is melt flow index. For example, you don't have a machine, but the filler need to be easy to melt.
Okay.
Yeah, to melt and to disperse inside the resin.
Okay.
Okay.
So what should the melt flow be for this type?
It's normally I adjust for blow and PP raffia silver from 3 to 4. But
more than enough.
yeah, this is our product.
No, that is a good one. So the one that is for blow.
And raffia also, same. And you know, when compare two kind of filler, our filler and other filler. Yeah, compare not only the appearance but also the melt flow index. If the filler is easy to melt, firstly, this person is good. This person is good.
But for the
Melt flow, yeah.
oh, so Well, that the M5 3 to 4,
Yeah.
you say for the PP raffia
Yeah.
and also for the blow molding
Or
or
Blow feed raffia.
blow
No, raffia.
Yeah, raffia.
Blow for raffia.
Raffia.
PP.
Yeah, I talk only the two.
That's for only raffia.
that's the only
Not
for
only
raffia.
for film.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's for
Oh,
only
you said
raffia.
blow and raffia.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
so
what I
it's
understood.
CP
That's what
flow.
you don't understand.
No.
Confused now.
No, when you say we
All
talk
for
about
the
blow,
raffia
which you talk about the blow molding,
Yeah, blow molding, same.
same.
Yeah, same.
Or it should be the same MFI for all.
Okay, similar.
Yes, it's
And
very common.
injection is the
Yeah,
same.
no, from 3 to 4 is very common. Common, you can go everywhere.
We can go
This person is good, and compare the two, so you can lot more. If difficult to melt, you cannot lot many.
Yes, if the dispersion is good, we can put more.
More. And if melting is good, the machine is running faster than the electricity
Use
power.
less electricity.
Power.
Okay.
Of course, that's why for example when I sell to Transpaco,
The juice there.
yeah,
Power.
You know what MFI is lower. It means your consumption of electricity. But that's not more, I didn't understand what you said.
You can use more.
Or because the
If-
MFI
if
is
it's
low,
a
right?
dosage-
Oh, it's-
dosage can be
Yeah.
increased, yeah.
Okay.
The dosage can be increased. You're telling me about Transpeco, what you said about Transpeco?
Transpaco, 1 year before, I sell to them already 1 year.
Right.
Before they buy oil from the India. And now firstly I selling to them firstly 2 container, and they change because our product is like this, better dispersion than
Okay.
the Transpaco. Now the factory in
Cape Town.
Cape Town using from me 8 container per month.
Mm.
Only him, 8 container per month. Then in the next 2 months, manufacture the machine, the factory in Johannesburg, we're using about 3 container. Go here, still using from India. So he want to change anymore. So totally, in 2 months later, the Transpaco will buy from me about 11 container per month. Only one customer. Because he feel he can calculate the lotting. They can calculate electricity. Customer know everything. Customer know everything. But be careful with if the customer don't like the soft of the shopping bag. Yeah, our product a little bit make the softer, a little bit.
Makes the product.
Yeah, only some customer don't like, and in general it's no problem. Okay.
Makes the finish soft.
So in case customer don't like soft, yeah, so I need to make from ADPE, not from LDPE.
Okay.
So please, when you will recognize, if
Yes.
customer don't like it, I will give you the product made from the ADPE.
Okay.
ADPE. Like in Jordan.
Okay, they make from LDP.
They make from ADP. So they asked me to do from ADP. Now, so information from you is the customer is important for me to
Yes, exactly.
to
Provide solution to the
yeah,
customer.
yeah. If customer don't like it, so yeah, please change to ADP carrier. Quality. Yeah, in here is a very sophisticated is a humidity.
Yes.
For example, this in our product in our factory. This is it. Your factory when after machine the material come here to the storage silo. The silo. So I have one system. Yeah, I blow the hot air. Hot air go here, then come up. So material come here, then from here material when packaging material come down. Then every my material is in the hot air. It's about 2 hours to come out into the packing. And in packing I send to you the 2 layer. One layer inside is a PE. You grab
The
it.
liner.
The
Inside the liner.
Yeah.
Yeah. The liner.
PE.
Yeah, and the back outside is PP.
Yeah.
So I keep very good condition for humidity.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if if this one go inside humidity, the problem is a fish eye.
Fish eye, okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
okay,
Okay, you can see some fish eye like
Oh, okay. See this one.
this big fish eye.
This one.
Don't have.
Are those fish eyes?
No, don't see.
What's
No,
that?
no, this not this person.
It's not.
What's that?
What's the design?
What's that? The water inside the filler go here and in make here is some bubble. Something
Or
like
if
bubble.
it's here, if it's water in
Yeah, water come here, then it need to come out.
Yeah.
If you have a very good customer, you ask the thing come yet. I will try your one mistake of the filler. So you spray some water here. You will see.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You put water in.
Yeah.
Make him blow.
That one is the desiccant.
It's not melting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I know the fish are the one with the bubbles.
So
The bubble.
Yeah.
The bubble. Like, yeah,
It's
so
all
it's,
the
Take
same.
easy, put water. His filler and put water.
Okay, you say,
Then it blows
okay, the
easy
question is
to
then,
have fish eyes. And then you do it.
you've got the LT plastic inside of the bag, right?
Yeah.
I need to know if the bag is open,
yeah.
you can stay open after how long? You can still use the material it's open, say for 3 months. The bag will open after 3 months, and you can still use the material.
Open.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you open, you
Depend on the conditions as well.
depend on condition. It's a humidity outside of the environment.
Yeah.
So which means there isn't that big problem.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have to keep closing it.
Keep closing.
Keep closing it.
Yeah,
If you
because-
open, if you use some, then you close it again.
Because you see the guys in the factory,
Yeah.
you cannot trust them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but one bag, they open only one bag.
Yeah.
They cannot open one
Oh.
bag.
Yeah.
Only one bag,
Yeah.
no problem. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, humidity fit ice. Not this person.
Sorry, can you see?
Yes, I can.
Not this person is not good MFI. Not not correct ready.
Yeah. What's the matter?
So you will see even in the recycled plastic,
Yeah.
some kind of resin recycle.
Yeah.
The appearance look very
Good.
you
Yeah.
cannot no.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
Yes.
what makes it?
Yeah, cannot no.
In some cases, the recycled material, on the face it looks good,
Yes.
but when you're processing,
Yes.
It doesn't make
doesn't-
about,
yeah,
what causes it?
You know?
Could you explain?
no.
Yeah, in the recycle factory because I go inside many times. They mix the LDPE
Yeah.
with string wrapping.
The shrink wrap.
No, the product that wrapping the pellet.
That's yeah,
Shrink
sure.
wrap.
Or the
That's
string
true.
they use for tying.
Yeah,
The straps.
The stress.
straps.
Which
Yeah.
is a different one.
Yeah, so different flow in there.
But the straps is from PP.
It's PP or
PE.
The straps.
Yeah, PE also. So the color.
Strips.
No, which strips are
Where's the
talking
strip?
about?
Like you strap boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
strap
pretty
is to wrapping the pallet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's PP and PT. Yeah, it's PP and PT.
So-
All of it.
Yeah.
When
No, energy is bringing it, it's going to take it.
yeah.
There's one here.
Then when that's why when in the recycle factory they put together, you cannot see.
Yeah.
You can only see. You cannot know when you look the appearance. Only transparent is good.
Yeah.
I cannot count. No, nothing. It's a
Then, okay, we're talking about the string wrap.
string
Yeah, the
film.
shrink wrap, yeah.
String film.
Okay.
String film.
The
String film.
It's the shrink wrap, Elliot is talking of.
Sure.
The shrink wrap.
Sure.
Do you know the string film?
Yes,
You want to
that plastic you
Close
use,
the pallet.
let's say, you-
Yeah.
like a
Yeah.
Like what you
And-
use.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
This
String film.
It's a stretch film.
Stretch film.
Stretch.
Stretch film.
Stretch. Stretch.
the stretch.
The stretch. Yeah.
Stretch is LDP.
Yeah.
The LL.
Yeah. That's why inside recycle resin, they put together with PE,
Oh, when they're making this, that's how you're saying.
making your recycle.
When they make it.
Then sometimes the look appearance is very good,
Oh.
but you cannot low film. You face sometimes.
Yes. Where is that sample? Do you have a sample? So
Yes.
if you look at it, if you chew it, can you tell? Can you tell?
No, I need
The tester, the
tester.
MFI
Yeah.
tester. It's a clear, Elliot.
Yeah, it's
Clear,
clear, very
clear.
good.
Maybe point clear, like this.
And very clear,
The
very
one
clean.
has that problem.
Very clean. But this is a casting machine, not low film.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, we have
point.
it. The main point, Elliot.
No,
Clear, clear.
I don't it. Okay, I talk here.
Yeah, that's right.
Here.
Okay, you can come back to that.
Yeah. Because not correct resin
Yeah,
sometimes
fine.
cannot express it.
Which means that the LL shrink wrap, it makes it the palette clear,
Yeah.
Yes.
to shine.
Yeah.
Make it clear material, yeah.
Yeah.
He said it looks very good.
Yeah.
On the appearance, it looks
Yeah.
good like this, yeah,
Yeah.
it looks good. But when it comes to extruding,
Yeah,
when it
okay.
comes to extruding.
So I suggest you, this time when you go in China Plus,
Yeah,
is better to ask Mr. Van to invest to one MFI machine.
testing
Or to
machine.
buy MFI
Testing
tester.
Yes, only for in China, the exhibition is about $2,000.
Okay.
Yeah, it's enough to you
Is it
for
big?
that.
Yeah, I think it's
Now very small.
Very small.
Yeah.
I think it's a good thing to invest in here.
Okay, that's fine. So you can compare. You can compare. Yeah. Otherwise, you only look like this. Sometimes problem. You don't know.
But now, how do you determine to see that if the material there's another mix of other materials? Say I got a HD.
Oh, you're not going there now. Okay, he's talking about the
This
product.
person. This person. Okay. And some other mistake I already faced is my filler is going too much glossy. Too much glossy.
too much shining.
So printing is a problem.
To print
Also, if it's too much shiny.
Too much that printing is a problem. Yeah. If too much glossy. So printing. Printing problem. Sometimes before I faced some one problem a long time ago. I make very good filler. I put inside very good additive. It's make the product glossy. And go to each customer printing cannot print.
Don't stick.
Yeah, so the manager, yeah, call the ink supplier, the problem.
What
Then
makes the product glossy?
some some special.
That's
Additive.
special secret additive.
Yeah, I can make it more glossy, but it will be problem. Yeah. It's acceptable now.
It's acceptable.
Okay, but if too much glossy, sometimes problem. Yeah. Too much glossy is not glossy.
Not glossy also is a problem.
Glossy and shiny.
Not glossy. You go to the customer. Yeah. When running filler, so it's a dry face. Dry face.
Mhm.
Yeah.
All the
There's
time,
some-
not all the time,
Not all the time.
not all the time.
Sometimes the powder.
So,
Yeah,
Sometimes powder.
yeah,
Yeah. And they need to stop the machine to cleaning the dry face.
yes.
Yeah. Powder. Yeah. This is the one reason that our filler can avoid it. You compare it with other.
okay, so they don't have to stop the machine to clean all
It's
the time.
cleaner. Yeah. This is for example. This is low film. Low film. This is dry face. This is direct. You have something inside the bottle.
Yes.
Right. The powder here
Yeah.
and powder here. Yeah. And sometimes you need to stop.
Oh,
Need to stop the machine to clean
the
it.
type is here.
Oh, because it's not
Okay,
glossy.
Yeah, yeah. See
So
what
not
happened
glossy
is,
would damage the machine.
no,
Or it will stick.
No, it's not glossy, what will happen, it's not glossy.
see what happened, it's not changing.
Not glossy. Not glossy. Is a particle size of the calcium chloride is too much.
Yeah,
Too much calcium.
Too much. Yeah. So the surface of the film is not glossy.
yeah.
Yeah. Then when running out, here is too much powder
Okay.
because it's not glossy.
Good.
Yeah.
So when too
Oh,
much
the finished product.
Yes.
Finished
the
product,
finished
yeah,
product.
finished
It's shiny
product.
look and gets dull.
Yeah.
Right, okay, got it.
Oh.
Okay.
It's not be shiny.
Yeah.
See? Instead of be shiny,
Yeah, it will be
Done.
it will be dull.
Yeah.
Now what
The
happens?
finished product,
Yeah.
that's what
Finished
we're
product.
talking about
Yeah,
now.
finished product, yeah.
Finished product.
Oh, okay, so it should be a bit of gloss so that the end product
Yeah.
can be shiny.
Sanding, yeah. But too much is printing.
Yeah, correct. That's the point.
Yeah.
So it's gotta be between.
Between. And time of the stock machine
Yeah.
is one point to go to consideration when they buy. When they buy filler. You mean? Maybe two filler is the same price.
Okay.
The running,
Yeah.
the filler, for example, 2 days they need to stop clean one time.
Yeah.
But for one other filler is
No problem.
8
There's
hours.
no stopping.
It was not so okay.
It's a one point. You need to learn to ask. Please talk to the technical inside the machine factory. They are running machine. They can teach them teach you many things. Problem yes.
What about the screw? When we come to the customers, screw,
School life.
yeah.
Yeah.
Screw life, you can calculate the screw life is cheap, not so expensive. Not so expensive. For example, the big machine, the screw should only less than only some thousand USD.
How much?
Less than 1,000.
Less than 1,000?
No, some thousand, only some thousand, less than 10,000.
Less than 10,000, okay.
You can calculate. He's a customer. Yeah.
No,
Right.
see, no, no,
The customers now they
No.
always say
yeah,
the filler it might damage our screw.
not damage,
Yes.
it will reduce the lifespan of the screw.
Reduce the life.
Yeah,
The
lifespan
price of
the
screw.
Yeah. It will reduce the
For
lifespan.
example, normal
Okay, we
for very big machine,
yeah.
it's about 8,000 USD. Yeah. If you, for example, if you not running the filler, the life is 3 years, for example. If you run filler here, 2
So
years.
we're talking
If you
about
use filler, it's
So,
doesn't
so 1 year soon.
Yeah, see,
Very soon.
that's what I'm saying.
the normal warranty is 3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The
The
screw,
lifespan
the screw of the
the-
machine.
But when you put fillers, you can
It's
just
fine.
take
It
the
reduces by 1 year.
What the filler reduces.
Yeah.
filler because
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
but this is nothing. When you run in filler, yeah, if you can everyone.
Well, what the economy is trying to say, okay? If you buy a good quality,
Yes.
you buy a good quality material,
Yeah.
and the cost, it's reducing your cost
Yes.
as well, okay? It's only reducing your lifespan of the screw by 1 year only.
Yeah.
But think about how much you're making,
Yeah.
the process, yeah, your process, how much you're making.
And at 8,000, you can make it
It's nothing.
bigger to buy it.
Yeah. Easy. Screw is cheap. In plastic, screw in the machine is cheap.
Mhm.
The turnover and the cash flow is much more bigger. You know, one machine from me, if I invest 1,000 to buy the machine, I need 6,000 to fit the machine they're running. This is in plastic. The machine is cheap. So,
Yeah.
stop here, 15 minutes to.
Yeah, I know. I know you want to, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about 2 minutes.
About time of one.
Right?
Can you see that there's a difference between without filler and with filler?
To buy some.
Their filler, where is
What
the
was cheap in
The geo filler is this one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
But I mean, you can see on the finished product if there's filler.
yeah.
Is it?
How?
Opacity.
Capacity.
Opacity.
In other words, people the
Yeah.
brightness.
Brightness.
This is whose filler?
Geo filler.
My filler.
Yeah.
So need to
Okay. Well, yeah, okay, let's go.
yeah. Need to compare.
In other words, what Mr. Kong is trying to do now is to say, to bring to a customer,
Yeah.
How do
what,
you sell it?
yeah, how do you sell the product?
Yeah, outside product. So when it's a necessary if you find one very close customer, let you go inside the factory.
Yes.
Then test with them to compare the two filler. You take two filler for testing in the same condition, the same formula. Then take two fill, keep by yourself to compare. To compare. Yeah. To compare this person. Yeah. To compare
Dispersion.
the speed machine.
Speed of machine.
Yeah, the speed of machine to compare. Yeah. Go. For example, here.